ng detention facility ni Mr. Bong Duterte. Siya po ang bunsong kapatid ni Tatay Digong. So, Sir Bong, kamusta po si Tatay Digong?
He is doing well. Medyo malungkot lang because he cannot kwan yung sa outside world talaga ano nangyayari. So I have to brief him about the election, the outcome ng election, both the local and the national. And very happy na I told him, you got a very overwhelming vote as mayor of Davao again. So masaya sa.
Ano po sinabi niya in particular? Nung sinabi niyong tambak ang kanyang panalo?
Ako ang nagsalita ko sa kanya, kasi kung grabe yung outcome, yung number of votes mo kaysa yung opponent, alam mo. At saka, pang Vice Mayor Basteren, including si Congressman Pulong, and yung anak niya, si Omar, also won the congressional seat, 2nd District. And of course, Congressman Ungab won sa 3rd District.
Ano pong sinabi niya? Yung sinabi niyong overwhelming ang victory?
Nakasmile.
Nakasmile.